area and the random mating is taking place. So what are the expected genotype frequencies, or what will be the expected genotype frequencies? That means suppose PA, small p, it's the A's frequency. So here this will be formed in that way, like that small p, capital A, that means small p square. Okay, small pa, that means small p square. Why this is p square? Because when homozygous condition is there, that means A is not remain only one. A is remain with one capital A. That is one capital A with one capital A. Here the two capital A is multiplied and form the p square. Clear? And another the individual that is formed small qa. Okay, small qa, from this small qa may be produced pq, small pq. That means capital A and the small a. So here